Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how you can add a cutout poster effect in CapCut. So just going to select the video and then just go to effect. So select this body effect and you can find cutout poster in body, and here's just strike here so you can see the after and the before and after. So, and just for the duration until the finish the video, so you can adjust for this option. Okay, for the size, and just click play button for the result. So just export. Okay, this is basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have any question. Please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.